Stevie Sells talks about one of the most lucrative side hustles of 2023. It's very low startup and you could do it anywhere and it's in high demand and it's fun. Just using your drone, and you don't have to get an expensive one. You can use a very cheap one. There's as low as one bill, two bills. They're in high demand because people love their homes. And what you're going to do is start up an aerial photography business around your area where homes are more spaced out. That usually works better. You use door flyers. Just write on the back of the door flyer your number in handwritten ink and go around to the neighborhood. Step 2 is once you get a job, you're going to photograph their home from obviously the aerial view. Go to a print shop and download it and go to Walmart, pick up a frame, and you could probably make anywhere from 1 to 2 large bills for one job. So you're looking at, that's a decent income. You get a couple jobs a week. That's a great income right there. I think this is an awesome side hustle business. And if you want my #1 profitable side hustle, just go right here. I have 30 other side hustles you can check out. I've tested.